Hello friends, today we are going to see about 10 English words used only by Indians. The first one is mother promise. For ages, you have always used this word without even knowing if it was a legit word, haven't you? So we decided to burst your bubble. While the word promise features in the Oxford Dictionary, there is no mention of mother promise. Surprised, wondering how mother promise came into being, is the literal English translation of Markasam or Taime Satyam. The next time you want to stand by something you really mean, try using just promise. You don't really need to drag your mother into your everything, do you? The next one is cousin sister and cousin brother. According to the Oxford Dictionary's, cousin is a child of one's uncle or aunt, and grammar Nazis would insist that the word cousin does not need to be with words like sister or brother. We know that sister or cousin are words used only in India. The right word is not like that. The next one is good name. When Indians meet strangers, why do they ask the question, what's your good name? Every parent or every grandparent are given their very good name to their children with good intention. So there is nothing bad about a name. Next time while you are talking with a stranger, you just ask what's your name. And the next one is revert back. Now this one's tricky because that's what you have been writing in emails, haven't you? Well, according to the free dictionary, revert means to reply to someone. Why use revert back? When you use just say revert, that's enough. So there is no need to write revert back hereafter. And fifth one is rubber. In India, the eraser is also called as rubber, but in the rest of the world, a rubber is a slang for condom. Now it makes sense why your relatives and friends in foreign countries complain that people there burst up laughing when they ask for the rubber instead of eraser. So while you are asking someone, you just ask eraser. That's enough. And sixth one is picture. When was the last time when you mentioned that you were going to watch a picture? No one really knows when picture becomes synonymous with films or movies in India. According to the Oxford Dictionary, picture means a drawing or painting. You would say, I am going out to watch a movie or picture. You just say, I am going to watch a movie or a film. That's enough. And seventh one is mention not. It's funny that every time someone thanks an Indian, they quickly turn around and say they mention not. We're still searching our heads, wondering how word originated what it means. There are plenty of ways you can accept someone's thanks. You can say you are welcome, it's pleasure. That's all right, no problem. So there is no need to mention, not mention. And next one, pass out. How is it that every Indian graduating from college is passing out? Confused. Let's tell you the difference. When you are really drunk and become unconscious, you pass out. But when you refer to the successful completion of a course or training, you use the word graduate. So instead of saying pass out, you have to say I am graduated. That is the correct one. Next ninth one is cheetah cock. We all have used this word in our childhood once, twice, thrice. We have lost count of the number of times we called someone a chittercock. But ever wondered what does the word mean? We are still wondering. According to the Oxford Dictionary, cheater is a person who adds dishonesty in order to gain the advantage. Would in the sufficient we just said cheater. Next one is would be. Or instead of introducing a fiancé, you are just telling he is my would-be. Here, the person may get confused. Would-be means nothing. So instead of saying that, you have to just simply say he is my fiancé. Everyone would understand that instead of saying would-be. So these are all the easy things you have to remember. The first one is we have to just say promise instead of saying mother promise, and cousin sister or cousin brother simply say cousin. And good name, what is your name please? And revert back, revert is enough. Rubber, you have to say eraser. Picture, movie or film. Mention not, you have to say you are welcome. And next, pass out. Pass out means we have to simply say that is you are graduated. Chittercock, chitter is enough. Would be is fiancé. Okay friends, I hope everyone may understand this. In future we are not committing this error. So these are all the Indians often committing mistake. Okay friends, see you in the next video. Bye.